Lesson number 5. Hello, boys and girls. This is Aunt Fernita, and I have a wonderful story for you called Birds to the Rescue. Today's memory verse is from Philippians 4:19. My God will meet all your needs. The message for today's story is God loves us and gives us everything we need. When you're hungry, who feeds you? Your mom, your dad, maybe grandma or grandpa. Well, God fed Elijah in a very special way. King Ahab, the king of God's own special people, was worshiping idols. God watched King Ahab bow his head in front of the idol Baal. Bring us lots of rain, O Baal, King Ahab prayed to the idol. Give us rain so our food will grow in the fields and we will have plenty to eat. King Ahab prayed to the idol Baal every day. He even built a temple for the idol Baal so everyone else could worship him too, and many people did. Was there anyone left who was not worshiping Baal? Was there anyone left who really loved God? Was there anyone God could use to tell his special people to return to worshiping the true God? Yes, there was, and his name was Elijah. So God spoke to Elijah. God gave Elijah a very important message for King Ahab. Elijah walked quickly into King Ahab's palace. Elijah spoke loudly, My God, the God of Israel, says there will be no rain for the next few years unless I say so. So your idol Baal cannot give you rain. King Ahab couldn't believe his ears. His mouth hung open in surprise. Before King Ahab could think of anything to say, Elijah hurried out of the palace. Where should I go now? Elijah thought. King Ahab is going to be so very angry. God spoke to Elijah again. Go to the east and hide by the Kerith brook, he said. God knew that King Ahab would try to kill Elijah. Drink fresh water from the brook, God continued, and I will send ravens to feed you. Elijah hurried to the Kerith brook. He sat on the ground and thought about all that had just happened. Just as the sun began to disappear behind the mountains, Elijah heard birds calling. Caw, caw, caw. Big black birds swooped down. The ravens dropped the food they were carrying on a rock near Elijah. Then they quickly flew away. Elijah watched the birds disappear. Amazing, he thought. When God said he was going to send ravens to take care of me, he really meant it. Elijah bowed his head and thanked God. He sat on the rock and picked up his dinner to eat. Then he looked at the sky in the direction the ravens had flown away. God had kept his promise. And boys and girls, God always keeps his promises.
This podcast was brought to you by Studio El Piso and Gracelink.net. For more children's resources, please visit Gracelink.net.